Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animals and toys. So let's go for collecting. There is the first one is here. This one is a very nice yellow color. Hey, I collecting this one here. And there is another. Oh, this one is the pink color. There is the another big blue color I collecting. And there is the another green. Here is a pink color also I collecting. And there is the green one. Here is the very nice and beautiful orange color. And there is the another one is blue color. And there is the last one is here. Is a green color. So guys, all of animals and toys collecting in my bucket. Let's go for cleaning. So guys, here is my cleaning water, and that is my all of animals. That is the first one I cleaning. Ha. Oh, this one is a robot. Collecting this robot here. And that is the another one. Hey. Oh, this one is a zebra. I'm collecting this zebra here. And next one. Oh, this one is a fly. Collecting this fly here. And that is the next one. Oh, this one is a rooster. Collecting this rooster here. And that is the next one. Hey. Oh, this one is a red color robo.
Okay.
I'm collecting this robo here also. And there is the another one. Oh, this one is a cow. Collecting this cow here also. And here is the another one. Hey, this one is a shark. Collecting this shark here. Here is the next one. Oh, this one is a dragon. Collecting this dragon here also. And that is the last one. Oh, this one is a fish. Oh, I'm collecting this fish here also. So guys, here is all of animals and toys collecting, and let's go for Andy.